In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a saved audio on Instagram Reels. Okay, so this process is very straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. So you can either have the audio saved already, or you can save it while you're browsing on the Reels tab. So if I tap on the Reels tab there at the bottom in the center, and let me just scroll through here, and let me just say I want to use the audio that's within this TikTok video. I tap there at the bottom where that scrolling text is, that's the audio. I can tap on that, and then this will pop up, and you'll notice here it says save audio. So I can go ahead and save that audio right now, and it says save. Now what I can do is I can go back to the home page, and I can swipe to the left from the home page. That'll take me to the stories feature, but we want to make sure that we're on the Reels tab. So tap on Reels at the bottom, and then it should say Reel over there. Now to add that audio that we just saved, I'm going to tap over here with that little music icon right over there on the left. This will pop up. You can either browse through here or whatever you want to do, but we want to add that saved audio. So tap here where it says saved, and there you can see that's the audio that I just saved. You can either play it by pushing this button right here, or you can just simply tap on it. This menu will pop up, and now it's recording the sound. You can move it around to whichever part of the song that you want. Obviously I have it on mute for copyright reasons, but you will just move that around, and then you tap on done at the top right hand corner there. Now it is just loading up for a quick moment, and now you can begin recording your Instagram reel, and that sound will be playing in the background of your Instagram reel. So right now if I go to preview and then I tap on the music icon at the top, you can see that we have the camera audio and then that song that we just added, and you can adjust the volume if you want to. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.